A thunderstorm in spots of the afternoon, high 87. Wednesday, a morning thunderstorm in parts of the...
All right, folks, special treat here today. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird. Now this is an original car, numbers matching, and it's been verified. Let's see. I'm really excited. 440 under the hood, rated at 375 horsepower, 727 torque plate, automatic transmission. And of course, we look so cool with the aerodynamic front nose piece and the mile-high wing out back. Gotta love it. Car's going down the road nicely, handled all the bumps with ease. We have power steering on this one, and then power brakes that are front discs. And without further ado, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to 200 miles an hour, no problem. You know, these things were built for NASCAR. Gonna have the top end there, accelerated very smoothly, no issue at all getting up to speed. Seems to be tracking nicely. Let's check it out here. Pretty good. Slight pull to the right, nothing excessive. Could just be our road here also. But yeah, got yourself a turnkey Roadrunner here. Again, original, numbers matching. Great vehicle all the way around. That's how I get really excited for test drives like this. You guys know super rare car already. And this one runs and drives really nicely. If you want to come test drive it for yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. Contact somebody in our sales department. Eric or Joey will be more than happy to help you out. I'll arrange that for you. We're about a 40-minute drive outside over here in the National Airport if you need to fly in to check it out. But as I see it, it's a great car. You're absolutely going to love it. The originality's there. And yeah, cars like this excite me. Check out all the pictures, detail, and full description on volocars.com.